Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Honda CRV EX, kind of the mid-level for the CRV. This one here has the Turbo 1.5, made it to the CVT, 4,800 miles on it. Beautiful red metallic. I've never sat in the back seat of one of these. Not bad. Not bad at all. They actually do look pretty nice for the segment, of course. You know, if they didn't put the 2.0 in here, there is definitely room to do so. All right, let's go ahead, take this thing out on the road. Yes! Good job, Honda. All right. Not bad horn. Again, this is mated to a CVT transmission. A lot of people are going to be, oh, I don't like CVTs. They're not good. You know what? This isn't a performance car. It's perfectly fine for this application. It really isn't bad. You know, it's not blow your socks off. Oh my goodness. But with the turbocharger, it provides a lot of low down torque. And with it being a 1.5, it's going to be pretty good on fuel economy too. Let's see how it does over this bump. Wow. Handles that pretty well. Honestly, visibility is really, really great. I can see everything. Pop it down into sport mode. Honestly, a lot of people look at these, they're like, oh, it's an appliance. You know, a lot of people look at these and like, these are designed to be used and abused. And in reality, they are. But I love the gauge cluster too. It's almost like a fighter plane. I mean, not to the extent of the Lamborghini Reventon or whatever you want to pronounce it. But it's very much like the Type R, which I didn't expect to have a little piece of the Type R in here. The seats are very comfortable. I've been driving it for about a half hour now, and I'm not begging to get out. Wow, brakes are phenomenal. It's a very progressive pedal. The first initial bite is not bad, but as soon as you start to press even a little bit there, it gets very sensitive, which is perfect. That's the way it should be. That way, you know, if it's your first time driving it, or if you're a little bit tired, you're not gonna throw yourself through the windshield. But if you're on your game and you want a little bit more touchy, a little bit more brake pressure, it's perfect. It's not gonna throw you through the windshield, but it's definitely, you don't have to go digging for the brakes. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.